Good morning, how are you?
Good morning, Wilson.
See that, guys? 450, and I'm gonna give her 550 change. Guys, oh my gosh. Day 38. Yesterday was day 37. Day 38 of not waiting for a week before I exchange my coins into Philippine peso paper bills. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Guys, do the same thing. I'm not tired of telling you. Save, invest. Earn, save, invest, not in any networking, on your own. Don't engage in any scams, okay? Networking, pyramiding. Be aware. Beware. Road to 1 million peso saving challenge. Earn, save, invest, enjoy. For life is being unpredictable. Thank you, Lord, for these wonderful blessings. Bye for now. Hold on.